If you're looking at building a custom home, but you don't want a 2-story home, you don't want all of those steps, you'd rather have a ranch, well, that's what we're gonna look at with this home. All right, hey guys, welcome back. It's Eric Sztanyo from Keller Williams Realty and TeamStanyo.com, where we are helping you find your home and strengthen your family. We are here at Homearama in Cincinnati 2021, looking at all of the best new, fresh designs from the top custom home builders here in Cincinnati. And we're about to look at another home from Redknot Homes called the Double Eagle Ranch. Let's go check this one out.
Redknot Homes features custom homes throughout the Cincinnati and Northern Kentucky area, including Parkside Estates in Anderson Township. Custom homes are offered from 3 to 5 bedrooms, from 1 to 3 levels, and between 3,500 and 6,000 square feet. Surround yourself with tranquility and natural elegance on your half to 1 acre home site at Parkside Estates at Coldstream. The home of Homearama, Cincinnati 2021, this peaceful enclave is in the highly coveted Forest Hills School District and is surrounded by 100 acres of protected land, ponds, and natural beauty. You'll have quick access to I-275 and a plethora of shopping and entertainment options. Anderson Town Center, Eastgate Mall, Jungle Gyms International Market, Kenwood Town Center, and Crestview Hills Town Center offer fantastic shopping. For golf enthusiasts, Coldstream Country Club is right next door, while Coney Island Amusement Park, Riverbend Music Center, Belterra Park Cincinnati, and the Banks in downtown Cincinnati are all within a few minutes' drive. The new homes for sale at Parkside Estates provide you the fantastic opportunity to own a beautiful, new construction home in Anderson Township, Ohio. Award-winning Redknot Homes is a modern, sophisticated, process-driven home building company founded on quality, efficiency, integrity, and innovation. They take pride in providing you with a one-of-a-kind home building experience. Under the vision and leadership of founder Mark Pottebaum, Redknot has quickly grown to become a renowned developer of unique, fine custom and semi-custom homes and neighborhoods. From small infill projects to large master planned communities, Redknot is committed to delivering extraordinary homes for modern living that will last a lifetime.
Now guys, if you've watched our channel, you know we've done a lot on new construction, but most of the new construction videos we've done have been the production builders like Fisher Homes and Drees, maybe Miranda and MI Homes and Ryan Homes. In these videos, what we're trying to do here is look at some of these custom home builders here in Cincinnati, so I hope you enjoy these videos.
The Double Eagle Ranch from Redknot Homes features 5,684 square feet and is sold for $1,255,000. with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. An open floor plan provides an easy flow for family living and entertaining. The kitchen, with both a large center island and peninsula, allows for plenty of gathering space in the heart of this home. A roomy walk-in pantry is perfect for extra storage space and keeping clutter at bay. The great room, kitchen, dining area opens to a 4-season sunroom, which includes a built-in fireplace, making it an inviting getaway space all year long. When it comes to fun, this home's fully finished walkout basement has it all. Decked out for the whole family, there's a massive rec room, a ping pong room, and a high-tech golf simulation theater. A 3-car garage offers ample storage space.
Another beautiful home, another awesome open floor plan. I love the woodwork in the living room on the ceiling. I think it's amazing. I love the nice large island in the kitchen. I love the built-in refrigerator that hides away. Gorgeous home. All of these are gorgeous homes, but my favorite thing by far is the golf simulator in the basement. $125,000, just a mere $125,000. But you've got a full swing golf simulator, tells you everything that's wrong with your golf swing, which would, I don't know how long the report would be on my golf swing, but then you can go play any course you want on a simulator. And here in Cincinnati, where you get some cold winters, it's not a lot of fun to play golf in December through February, really, that would be pretty nice to have. All right guys, that was the Double Eagle Ranch by Redknot Homes. I hope you enjoyed that tour. There's a reason why it's called the Double Eagle Ranch when you've got the full swing golf simulator in the basement. Gorgeous home. As always, if you're looking for any kind of custom home builder here in the Cincinnati area, make sure you reach out to a buyer's agent first. Doesn't cost you a thing. All these custom home builders, they have the fee for the buyer's agent worked in. So if you want representation on your side, be sure to reach out to an agent before you come and talk to the builders. Then we can build you your home of your dreams. So give us a call at Team Sztanyo, 513-813-6293. We're doing a series of videos here at the Homearama Cincinnati 2021. I hope you're enjoying these as we're going along, getting to look at these beautiful home designs from these great custom home builders, and also getting to look at kind of the latest styles and trends, appliances, all the good stuff. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe and join the Sztanyo clan. Yo, guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.